Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I have colors to use up on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. And I just found my scissors. And I also have a shovel, and I don't know if I'm going to use that shovel or not. But I do have one remaining OXO omelet turning spatula available on the Amazon link on the link tree. Under the Linktree link, you'll find the Amazon link. And please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. And where are my glasses? I'm a little flustered. The dogs just chased the rabbit right around the potting shed that I work in front of like 3 times, and it scared the... well, it affected me, shall we say. Somewhere here. I'm going to give myself some black paint and throw my spatula that's dirty in the bucket. And spread that black paint. And of course that's a blocked up bottle. So what I'm going to do is take the black and use it with the gold, which could actually use a little bit of white. What is that thing in my way? I do not know. Alright, so what do I want to use? I kind of want to see what's using some of the white enamel will do. That's cool. Let's do that again. Let's knock that off so it's... and take that out of the way. Let's do it again. Too much fun. Really cool cells. Really cool cells. Makes me want to put the pink in there. I gotta remember... yes, we're not playing right now, dog. You can take that away. I think what I'm going to try and do is use my spatula to shovel out my colors. Actually, I can only get... I can only get part of my spatula in there. But it's not going to keep me from trying harder. I've got some glop. Some real glop. I'm going to use a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. And I'm going to hope that I can do something with the paint I've got. No, please stop doing that, rabbit chasing dog. No, you can bring that pebble and stick it at my feet all you want, but I'm not going to throw it right now. I'm just going to keep emptying out my container in places I like so I can put it in the bucket. And then I will add a few colors, maybe. Colors that I like. I think turquoise. Alright, that's good enough for right now. Just my luck, I'd stub my toe on that rock. So normally I would probably swipe some of this, but I don't want to make it any more well mixed or not. Okay, I'm throwing the rock. There you go. Go away and don't come back. Really soon. I'm tipping and I'm contemplating chain. I'm also contemplating other colors like the blue that I love. And some white. Oh wait. Yeah. I got plenty of that. I don't need more. Okay, let's find me a piece of chain that's not millions of miles long. That's not one. There are 2 really long pieces of chain in that cup. Alright, I think I found one. I think I might have found more than one. I did this yesterday. but I had distractions. So I'm hoping I can do this better today than I did then. I may tip again. Just because I can, which is the name of my first book on the Amazon link, right next to my second book, called Unlimited Possibilities. I kind of like those white stripes in there. Maybe I should not change them. Maybe I'd like to run my finger down the edge of that canvas and see if I can blend the canvas I can see away. Oh, and I've got colors falling down over too. That's perfect. I've got skewers. I've got more things. I've got all kinds of stuff right here. I don't often do this. I know, because I'm a little uncomfortable. But that's okay. The only way to get comfortable with things you're uncomfortable with is doing them. I'm not sure what this is other than wild. It's not a very clean skewer. But I am almost done, which means I should tell you guys, I'm getting ready to clean up, and I should tell you guys I do sell my artwork. That's the broken skewer, and it was so clean and new. I'm trying not to get rid of any nice cells. Normally I would just pick up some paint and push it over the edge, but I think I can do a fairly decent job of that anyway. If I do it now, then paint flows to paint. It may cover better. Since my squeeze bottle, my smaller squeeze bottle of gold is plugged up, I think I'm just going to take advantage of this moment. So what else? I don't really want to find out what else. Maybe just a little twist. Right there. Oh, I'm almost got rid of those beautiful cells. I really didn't want to get rid of that turquoise at all. Good thing it stayed. Not so sure about that line I just put in there. So one good line deserves another. Oh, I like all that in there. I don't want to do anything to that. Alright, I'm kind of liking that. Wasn't sure for a minute. I could add more colors. I could definitely add some gold. I think I'm just going to practice letting myself draw with my chain. There isn't enough gold on that side, so there's going to have to be something happening over there. Okay, well, I'm almost to the place where I think I'm satisfied. Somebody's going, we don't trust you. You don't tell the truth. I don't want those cells to go away, but they are kind of standing by themselves. I've got all this color over here. Am I happy with that? I'm so close. Maybe a little bit of white, and then I'm going to say that I do sell my artwork. And I said that already, I remember now. And if you're looking to get in touch with me, it's the same way to get in touch with me for classes as it is to buy artwork, and that's the email address under Show More in the link tree. I do like putting those strange little bumpy things in. And I love this color. And I think that this might make me really happy, especially if it stops attaching itself to the last drop. Nothing like dots to make me happy, honestly. Especially in little organic patterns. So what else? I think I'm almost done. I keep saying that, don't I? Can't trust me. I like the idea of having something that really draws your attention. It's just that it still has to allow the eye to move back around inside. I'm getting close. I'm closer than I was a minute ago. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying thank you for the wonderful comments and thank you for helping purchase art supplies through your donations. If you have an interest in helping me continue producing videos that are tutorials that you're enjoying on YouTube, please by all means find the PayPal or Patreon link underneath the link tree and also on my channel, on my YouTube channel header. That is coming out really too fast, but I'm really liking that color in there a lot. So I'm just, that's the sharp end. And magenta. That is what's speaking to me, and I'm not seeing, there it is. Cool. It's coming out way too fast, but it's what I wanted. So I'm not going to complain. There we go. Pretty close. Yeah. She said that like 6 times now. The only thing I can think of that I want more than what I've got is the color shifting turquoise. And that's somewhere close to hand. If I go too far, I'm going to be sorry. I think I'm just about done. And now I'm afraid to say that. Alright, I'm going to torch. I'm going to tell you guys I appreciate your thumbs up. And thank you for the wonderful comments you give me all the time. I hope you stop back again. If you look on community board or on Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, you'll see tomorrow's video tonight at midnight, or you will be able to find a video in the morning from the night before. I love you guys. I'm seeing one color sticking out like a sore thumb right here, and I know what color that is, and so the only thing that I can think of is to do the same thing I've done before. Ah, yes. And that will draw the eye back and forth, and that's just exactly what I needed. And I am done. I know, you don't trust me. You have good reasons not to. All right. I love you guys. I will see you guys anon. Bye for now. Oh, release please. I'm going to torch. Look for 1,360 some odd videos organized by playlists. Under all playlists, you can find created playlists, and created playlists will show you genre and by the 100, so you can go through there pretty easily. Let me check my list. Teespring clothing underneath the video is all over print leggings and t-shirts, and all the shopping you do helps me out. Same as Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more will take you to fineartamericanpixels.com, where there's over 1,400 items and like 100 of each in different categories. Also, what? I said the Amazon link. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. I'm probably never going to stop. I just saw that. And I just had to add one little spiral. She said as she added another. And another. And another. Oh, you so can't trust me. Alright, so I totally love you guys, and I will see you anon. Look for my website underneath the video. On the link tree, look for the paint pouring recipe. Look for Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. And I'm going to just stick my finger right in there to make that a different shape. I'll be fixing my edges for a few minutes, and I will be talking to you guys anon. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.